This is country, and we're jacking. PJ's going inside of Books A Million to take a shit, and I'm jacking his car. How you doing?
We're now backing up. Backing up. We have jacked his car. We have jacked his car. Whoa! Yes. Well, where are we gonna go? Come on. Hair in her back like mine. Rock out, country. Woo! Wait, what's the street? Wait! Country is driving the slab! What? Country is driving the slab! Cops living here, be careful! I said cops living here, be careful!
Put it on the radio! We're gonna listen to Red.
Look like a pup, Scotty.
We're dry riding in the slab.
Ain't always.
Oh, get it on camera. Oh, they changed it.
Oh, shit.
Whoa! Oh, that's your old phone. Country. Wait, we're gonna get the street sign. We are now on. Wait. 18th and Hazel. We have jacked PJ's car. Country.
I have no idea.
Tell them we are in the ghetto.
We are in the ghetto, and we might hit a trash can.
One way. This is a one way.
Oh,
This way.
no,
Oh, one way.
If you get it, girl, get it poppin'. Ain't no stopping.
We got some little niggas on the road. Hey, stop and interview the niggas. Hey, where are we at? Can we get y'all on video?
Hey, where's the mall at?
The mall?
Yes, sir.
Get the camera off me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here. Where's the mall at?
The mall, look, keep going straight. You see that stop sign? Keep going all the way down. There's a fence straight down. You see that fence? You can see it like right on the left side of the stop sign. All the way down to you see like.
So I just go straight.
Keep going straight.
How did we miss?
Yeah, just make that little right and that immediate left
We
right
was
there.
right
Just,
over there too.
and just follow right there
appreciate
along the side,
Appreciate
man.
it. Thank you, dog. You didn't want this video.
That nigga said get the camera off of me.
Sure
And then we got him on camera though.
You did?
You got him on camera though. Where the fence at?
I don't know. He didn't want to be videoed.
He didn't want to be video. What an asshole.
Oh, real.
Ooh-wee! PJ still hasn't called us.
We gotta get back before he does.
Yes. So go back that way now. I know where we're at, country. Keep going straight.
I know where I'm at. I'm just looking out so I can hit a trash can.
No, don't hit a trash can. No, it might mess up his car for real.
You think so?
Yeah. Dude, we got the keys to his trunk. We could have put that shit in his trunk on the side of the road.
What about all the...
No, the clothes.
Alright, we gotta hurry up.
Okay, you get out and put it on my video. You.
Alright.
So you can stop. You gotta take the keys out.
I hope it starts.
Oh shit! Which one is the square one? Get the toys. Look the toys.
He's gonna need this. He's gonna need this too. Nah. Don't fit.
Okay, let's roll.
That ain't gonna fit neither.
Okay, just that's enough.
We gotta get back. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Lumina.
Please start. Yeah, baby. Put your seatbelt on, cuz. Put your seatbelt on, country.
Alright,
Okay.
go to the right.
Go to the right. Let's do videoing.
Get the nigga. Get the nigga. Look at the Presbyterian. Get him. Go, 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 go.
We got the nigga.
Did you get Presbyterian? You gotta go this way?
Go this way. Oh, wait. Wait. I'll go back to the apartment park.
Not
Wait,
that way. Look at the chair.
No. No. Country, don't do it. Go down Glen Road, right here.
I know where to go.
Hit this better max speed, buddy.
Woohoo! A toilet! I should hit that head on.
That way.
I know where to go.
Country is driving the flip. Make it a live. Ski, 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 ski. Wow, wow, woo. Wow, let's go. Okay. Slow down, buddy.
Money to the ceiling, love a $250,000. Lane switching, trunk popping and banging. Ain't long started, clutch city, south side, we be swinging. Window, we jumping the deuce. I got the throw in the rim low and the
Handicap, right there. This focus style.
like
Right
what I
Was it
call
this
it,
one or that
one? Yeah, no,
I'm
it's this one.
sitting on the stitching tub, $1 hands, $1 million.
Country.
You don't know the taste.